everybody? Sid here, and today we are actually going to be doing an unboxing video. Yes, I got a very awesome shirt in the mail that I'm going to be opening up for you guys right now. Yes, super excited for this. I was really excited to get the shirt, and I'll also try it on for you off camera, obviously. But let's go ahead and open up the package. See what we got. Alright, so, there's some other stuff going on right here. Alright. Ooh, it smells. I love it. Alright. Yes. This shirt comes from Big Daddy Beard Gaming Promotions, as you guys can see. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yes. So, give me one moment while I go and put the shirt on for everybody and model it so everybody can see how snug it fits. Be right back.
One eternity later.
Okay, yeah, so I got the shirt on, as everybody can see. Yeah, this is what the shirt looks like. This is the front. This is the back. Even though there's nothing on the back of the shirt. But thank you again to Big Daddy Beard Gaming Promotions for making this amazing shirt. Show it off one more time. Yes, for making this amazing shirt, and I will take a picture of it and probably post it somewhere. I don't know where, but yes. Stay frosty, everyone, and thanks again, Big Daddy Beard.